Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this deep dive tutorial on Apache Pony Mail. If you're managing or contributing to mailing list systems, especially in open source environments, this tool is a game changer. Apache Pony Mail is a modern email archiving and interface platform built to replace legacy list management systems. It offers a responsive web interface, real-time search, and integrates seamlessly with existing Apache-style mailing list infrastructures. In this video, we'll explore how Pony Mail works under the hood, its architecture, and how it's used in the real world. Traditional mailing list archives are often outdated and difficult to navigate. Pony Mail was created to address these issues by offering a modern, responsive interface, real-time search, and analytics capabilities. It's open source, which means it can be customized and extended to fit specific project needs. For open source communities, especially those under the Apache umbrella, Pony Mail provides a scalable solution to manage thousands of email threads efficiently. Pony Mail comes packed with features designed for both end users and administrators. Its real-time search engine is powered by Elasticsearch, enabling fast and intelligent queries. The responsive web interface ensures usability across devices. It supports threaded views, user authentication, and offers an analytics dashboard to visualize mailing list activity. These features make it ideal for large-scale open-source projects. At its core, Apache Pony Mail follows a modular architecture. Emails are ingested via standard mailing list mechanisms, such as Mailman. These emails are then parsed and stored in Elasticsearch for indexing. The web interface is powered by a Python-based backend, which serves the front end and handles API requests. This architecture allows for scalability and real-time data processing. The data ingestion layer is responsible for collecting and parsing emails from various sources. Pony Mail supports common formats like Mbox and Maildir. It uses MIME parsing libraries to handle attachments and complex email structures. This layer ensures that all emails are correctly formatted and ready for indexing in Elasticsearch. Pony Mail relies on Elasticsearch for its storage and indexing capabilities. This allows for scalable, full-text search across massive email archives. Elasticsearch handles both the content and metadata of emails, enabling fast queries and advanced analytics. This is particularly useful for projects with years of mailing list history. The web interface is the user-facing component of Pony Mail. It's built with modern web technologies and offers a responsive, threaded view of email discussions. Pony Mail also provides REST-TFL APIs, allowing developers to integrate its functionality into other tools. Authentication is handled via OAuth or other standard protocols, ensuring secure access. Email parsing is a critical component of Pony Mail. It supports complex MIME structures, ensuring that attachments, inline images, and encoded content are correctly handled. This is essential for maintaining data integrity and providing a rich user experience. The parsing engine is robust and extensible, allowing for custom handling of specific email formats. The search and analytics engine is powered by Elasticsearch, enabling powerful full-text search capabilities. Users can filter and sort emails based on various criteria like date, author, or subject. The analytics dashboard provides insights into mailing list activity, such as top contributors and trending topics. This helps community managers understand engagement and participation. Security is a key consideration in Pony Mail. It supports standard authentication protocols like OAuth, ensuring secure access to the platform. Role-based access control allows administrators to manage permissions effectively. API endpoints are secured to prevent unauthorized access, making Pony Mail suitable for enterprise and community use. Pony Mail is designed for scalability and ease of deployment. It supports containerized deployment via Docker and Kubernetes, making it easy to scale horizontally. Elasticsearch handles the heavy lifting of indexing and search, allowing the system to grow with the mailing list. The modular architecture simplifies maintenance and updates. One of the most prominent users of Apache Pony Mail is the Apache Software Foundation. They use it to archive and manage thousands of mailing list threads across their projects. The real-time search feature is invaluable for developers looking for specific discussions or solutions. The analytics dashboard helps them track community engagement and identify active contributors. When compared to traditional mailing list archives, Pony Mail offers a significantly better user experience. Its modern interface, real-time search, and analytics capabilities set it apart. It's also more scalable, thanks to its use of Elasticsearch. Being open source, it can be customized and extended to meet specific project needs. Setting up Pony Mail locally is straightforward. You'll need to install Elasticsearch and Python dependencies first. Then, clone the Pony Mail repository and configure it according to your environment. Finally, you can import sample emails to test the system. This setup is ideal for developers looking to customize or extend Pony Mail. The web interface of Pony Mail is highly customizable. You can modify templates and CSS to match your branding. Developers can also add custom analytics or features by extending the existing codebase. Support for custom themes makes it easy to tailor the look and feel to your community's needs. Pony Mail's ResTFL API opens up possibilities for integration with other tools. You can fetch email threads programmatically, integrate with project dashboards, or automate reporting. These capabilities make it a powerful backend for community management tools and analytics platforms. For projects with large-scale archives, Pony Mail's use of Elasticsearch ensures efficient indexing and querying. It supports incremental archiving, meaning new emails are added without reprocessing the entire dataset. The Lucene backend provides fast and accurate search results, even with millions of emails. Pony Mail's web interface is fully responsive, ensuring a great experience on mobile devices. It's optimized for touch interactions and supports progressive web app features, allowing users to access archives even offline. This is crucial for community members who rely on mobile devices. Pony Mail has an active community of developers and users. You can find support on its official mailing lists, and the documentation is comprehensive and up-to-date. Contributions are welcome via GitHub, where you can report issues or submit pull requests. This open ecosystem ensures continuous improvement. Performance is a key strength of Pony Mail. Benchmarks show search latency under 100 ms for small datasets, and it can handle over 10,000 emails per second during ingestion. Elasticsearch's efficient indexing and querying ensure optimal memory usage, even under heavy load. When deploying Pony Mail, it's important to follow security best practices. Always use HTTPS to encrypt communications. Keep dependencies like Elasticsearch and Python libraries up to date. Enable audit logs to track access and detect anomalies. These steps ensure a secure deployment. Backup and recovery are critical for any email archive system. Pony Mail relies on Elasticsearch, which supports regular snapshots for backup. You can automate these backups with scripts and test disaster recovery scenarios to ensure data integrity. This is especially important for long-term community archives. Pony Mail's modular architecture allows for easy extension via plugins. You can write custom parsers for specific email formats, add analytics modules, or integrate with external tools like Slack or JIRA. This extensibility makes it adaptable to a wide range of use cases. Monitoring and logging are essential for maintaining a healthy Pony Mail deployment. Logs from Elasticsearch and the Python backend provide insights into system performance. Real-time dashboards help track metrics, and alerts can notify administrators of anomalies. This proactive approach ensures system reliability. The future of Pony Mail looks promising. The roadmap includes improvements to the mobile experience, more advanced analytics and reporting features, and better integration with modern mailing tools. These developments will further solidify its position as the go-to solution for mailing list archives. If you're interested in contributing to Pony Mail, the process is simple. Fork the repository on GitHub, make your changes, and submit a pull request. Join the developer mailing list to stay updated and participate in discussions. Every contribution, big or small, helps improve the platform. Enterprises are also adopting Pony Mail for internal mailing list archives. It meets compliance and audit requirements with secure access and logging. Integration with enterprise tools like LDAP and SSO makes it easy to deploy in corporate environments. This versatility extends its use beyond open-source communities. Pony Mail leverages Elasticsearch's powerful querying capabilities. Users can perform Boolean and fuzzy searches, filter by date, author, or thread, and even define custom analyzers for domain-specific needs. This flexibility makes it a robust solution for complex search requirements. One of Pony Mail's strengths is its ability to reconstruct email threads accurately. It uses email headers to piece together conversations, even when emails are missing or malformed. This ensures continuity in discussions and provides a coherent view of mailing list activity. Pony Mail handles attachments and media efficiently. Attachments are securely stored and indexed, allowing users to preview images and documents directly in the interface. Support for large file uploads ensures that important resources are accessible to the community. Pony Mail supports internationalization and localization, making it accessible to global communities. It supports multiple languages and localized formats for dates and numbers. Community-driven translation efforts ensure that the interface is available in many languages, enhancing inclusivity. Accessibility is a priority in Pony Mail. It supports keyboard navigation, is compatible with screen readers, and offers a high-contrast mode for better visibility. These features ensure that the platform is usable by everyone, including those with disabilities. To get the best performance from Pony Mail, consider tuning Elasticsearch indexing settings, using SSDs for faster data access, and optimizing the Python backend for concurrency. These adjustments can significantly improve response times and throughput. Migrating from legacy systems to Pony Mail is made easy with import tools for Mbox and Mailman archives. Data validation ensures integrity during the migration process. Step-by-step guides help administrators transition smoothly, minimizing downtime and data loss. An open-source foundation adopted Pony Mail to replace their outdated mailing list archive. The result was improved search and discoverability, enhanced community engagement through better analytics, and reduced maintenance overhead. This case study highlights the real-world benefits of the platform. To recap, Apache Pony Mail offers real-time search and analytics, a modern responsive web interface, and a scalable Elasticsearch backend. It's extensible, open source, and ideal for both open source communities and enterprises. Its modular architecture ensures flexibility and ease of maintenance. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Apache Pony Mail. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let us know in the comments how you're using Pony Mail in your projects. Your feedback helps us create better content. See you in the next one. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.